Hello my dear students. Last class we have seen why to prepare BRS, when to prepare BRS and how to prepare the BRS. In today's video we will see one BRS question number 2B, which was asked for 10 marks in May 2025 question paper. So let us go through this. Prepare the bank reconciliation statement of Mrs. XYZ Brothers on 31st March 2025. Date is very important, 31st March 2025. From the particulars given below. Bank passbook had a debit balance. Debit balance means what? It's a bank overdraft. Okay. So bank passbook has a debit balance. Bank, that means it is a bank overdraft. Mark it here itself. Debit balance, that is bank overdraft of rupees 62,500 on 31st March 2025. This is the base amount given in the question. Next, a check worth rupees 1000 directly deposited into bank by a customer, but no entry was made in the cash book. Before analyzing this, let us write the format. In the books was XYZ Brothers BRS as on 31st March 2025. So starting point, they have given us the BOD as per passbook. So whenever it is a bank overdraft, we will write it as a negative amount, minus amount, right? So here debit balance means bank overdraft. I will write it in a negative amount. So 62,500. So particulars less add. So in the less column I will write it as 62,500 because it is a negative amount. Next one, point number 2. A check worth rupees 1000 directly deposited into bank by the customer. So when the customer directly deposit in the bank, who will make the entry? Banker will pass the entry. So your passbook balance will increase, but your cash book balance is not at increase. Cash book is constant, it has not increased. So what is our base? Balance as per passbook is our base. So passbook we can alter. So it has already increased. To make them equal, I have to again decrease this. We can do it in a format of a equation. Cash book should be always equal to passbook. When the customer has deposited the amount directly in the bank, my passbook balance has increased by 1000. Cash book balance has not increased, it has remained 0. So to make the passbook balance also 0, what I have to do? I have to minus 1000 here, right? So minus 1000 means I have to deduct 1000. So deduct means I will write it in the less column. So point number 2, check directly deposited by the customer into the bank. So less column 1000. Simple. Point number 3, out of checks issued rupees 85,000, checks amounting to rupees 50,000 only were presented for payment till 31st March 2025. What it means? Whenever I issue the check, my cash book balance has decreased by 85,000, but my passbook balance has decreased only by how much? 50,000. Till 35,000 rupees check holders has not yet come to my bank for payment. So I have to make cash book should be equal to passbook. Now what I have to do on the passbook side, because passbook is my base amount, so here I will write minus 35,000. Correct? So similarly in my BRS, check issued but not presented for payment, minus 35,000. Minus means I will write it in the less column. How it is 35,000? It is 85,000 minus 50,000. Next one, adjustment number 4. A check for rupees 10,000 received and entered in the cash book. Bank column they have made the entry, but it was not sent to the bank. In your cash book, you have already increased that 10,000 rupees worth check, but passbook there is no increase because it is not yet deposited into the bank. To make cash book is equal to passbook, what I have to do in the passbook side? Add 10,000. Add 10,000 means here point number 4, add column 10,000. Next one, adjustment number 5. Check worth rupees 50,000 had been sent to bank for collection but collection was reported by the bank as under. Before 31st March 2025, only 35,000. So whenever check is sent for bank for collection, my bank balance will increase as per cash book rupees 50,000. But as per passbook, how much it is increased? Only 35,000 rupees is increased. Remaining 15,000 is received in the next financial year. That is after 31st March 25. We are seeing the bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2025. So to make cash book equal to passbook, on the passbook side, what I have to do? I have to add 15,000. So below point number 5, add column 15,000. Right? Next one, point number 6. Bank made a direct payment of 1,500 which was not recorded in the cash book. So cash book there is no entry. Passbook, whenever they make the payment, my passbook balance will decrease, right? This is the adjustment which is affecting our cash book and passbook. Now I have to make a adjustment on the passbook side. To make the passbook also 0, minus 5,000, 1,500 plus 1,500, the balance will become 0 on the passbook side also. So add 1,500 here. 1,500, add column, simple one. Next, interest on bank overdraft charges. Bank overdraft charges by bank rupees 4,000 was not recorded in the cash book. Banker has charged me a interest, so banker has reduced my bank balance by 4,000. There is no entry in the cash book, so make it 0. I have to add back how much again? 4,000. So add column 4,000. Next one, bank charges worth rupees 200 have been entered twice in the books. Twice in the book menu, which book? Cash book. Cash book we have entered bank charges twice. So actual bank charges is only 200. We have made how much? 400 minus. So to make them equal on the passbook side, again I have to write how much? Minus 200. So less column 200. Next, adjustment number 8. In that one more point is there. Insurance charges for 175 directly paid by the bank was not at all entered in the cash book. So passbook there is a decrease of minus 175. Cash book there is no effect. So for making them equal, I have to add back how much? 175 here. Okay, I have not written the point here, I will write it here. Insurance directly paid by bank. So add column 175. Next, last adjustment, credit side of bank column of cash book. Cash book credit side means what? It is a payment side. Payment side was undercast. Undercast means totaling is done. Totaling is done less by rupees 5,000. That means your cash book balance is showing more. So cash book balance is showing 5,000 rupees. Passbook balance there is no mistake, it is remaining 0. So to make them equal, I have to add back how much? 5,000. So add column 5,000. Ultimately, if I total these two columns, check out the less column first. 62,500 plus 1,000, 35,000 plus 200. It is 98,700. Whereas on the add column, 10,000, 15,000, 1,500, 4,000, 175 and 5,000. It is only 35,675. Difference is 63,025. So which side is heavier? Less side is heavier. when the less side is heavier. So less negative figure means what? It is again bank overdraft. It is bank overdraft as per cash book also. So bank overdraft as per cash book is how much? 63,025. That is the answer for this question. So to present the add column and less column, it is easy for you to analyze the things and to identify whether it has to be added or deducted. There is a simple formula. Your cash book always has to be equal to what? Passbook. So you have to analyze whether we have to go by the cash book or whether we have to go by the passbook. Whatever is our base, only the base value can be altered on the right hand side. Either it is added or either it is deducted to make it equal to what? Cash book. So that add and less you have to identify. So this is the answer for this question. This question was asked for 10 marks in May 2025. Next video we will solve the next question paper. Till that, go through this question, practice these questions again and again. Every time they ask this bank reconciliation statement question for 5 to 10 marks in this chapter weightage. So practice the question well, and if you have any doubt you can comment on this video. Thank you.